guys, I am so excited to have you here with me today as we embark on this journey to learn one of the most important language in web development. If you have ever wanted to create your own website, then HTML is the perfect place to start. Let's start with basic intro of HTML. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is the backbone of every website you will see. Let me tell you one example that you can understand. If you go to a website like Google, you will see a search box, buttons, links, and other elements arranged in certain way. All of these elements are created using HTML. So, which provides the structure and content for the web pages, and also it is used to develop web pages. Hypertext refers to the way in which web pages are linked together. Just the link available on a web page is called hypertext. As its name suggests, HTML is a markup language, which means you use HTML to simply mark up a text document with tags that tell a web browser how to structure it to display. Who invented HTML? HTML was invented by Tim Berners-lee, a British computer scientist who is often referred as the father of World Wide Web. Tim invented HTML in order to create a system for sharing and accessing information over the internet. HTML 2.0 was the first standard HTML specification, which was published in 1995. HTML 4.01 was a major version of HTML and it was published in late 1999. Though HTML 4.0 version is widely used, but now we are having HTML 5 version, which is an extension to HTML 4.01, and this version published in 2014. What are the requirements or needed for HTML? We need mainly two things: editor and another is web browser. Editor is used to write the HTML tags. Example like Visual Studio, Notepad, which are the free text editors available. So don't worry guys, I will tell you how to install Visual Studio step-by-step process in the next upcoming videos. Web browser. It is used to implement the HTML code. Examples like Chrome, Firefox. But don't worry guys, this won't be a boring lecture on programming. I am here to teach you HTML in a fun and enthusiastic way. In this channel, we will explore the fundamentals of HTML and its various tags, as well as how to style your web pages using CSS. By the end of this journey, you will be create your own website from scratch and impress your friends, family members with your newfound web development skills. So, if you are ready to take your first step in becoming a web developer, hit that subscribe button and join me on this exciting adventure. Thank you for watching.